vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, privacy glass, front disc rear drum brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.